Okay, here's one more boards go up, please problem. A little anti-set. I would read this aloud to you, give you the information, let you solve it. The answer is, I will go slow. I'll let you hit pause so that you can then go do it. $39. So hopefully you got that. I'm going to go over 2 ways to get that. Okay, so I have 2 different ways that I did this here, and I'm going to talk about both of them because they're both valuable in different scenarios. This one is probably easier if you're able to use a calculator, if you're able to do a math 9 specifically, because that cuts out everything from here all the way down to this step right here. This, solving for the plus c, is probably the way that I would think most of you would do it. It's your more intuitive way to do it. Find the function here and then plug in 2. But let me walk through this. So x of 2 is x of 1 plus the integral from 1 to 2 of the velocity. Remember that the integral of a rate function is net change. Well, the rate function is velocity, and it's the change in position. The velocity is the rate for position. It's the change in position from time equals 1 to time equals 2. So the x of 2 is the 2 here is going to be the end of the integral, and the 1 here is going to be the starting point. I take the amount at 1 and add the change in position from 1 to 2. That gives me 20 plus the integral from 1 to 2 of the velocity. Integrate, evaluate, that's the evaluate right there. 20 plus this minus that gives me 20 plus 24 minus 5, 44 minus 5, 39. I think this way will feel more useful to you, this unit, but I might not be right. The second way to do it is in green over here. You integrate, you get a plus c, you solve for the c, and then you plug in. So x of t is integral velocity. That gives me this, same thing that I got there, plus a constant. I can solve for that constant by plugging in 20 and 1. I get a 15 for my constant. That goes here with this stuff getting copied. Then I plug in 2, and I get this. You see a lot of the same math happens, right? Like the 20 minus the 5 is representative of that 15. And then notice I had a 24, right? And these guys make 15. Add to the 24 to get 20 to get the 39. Here I got a 24, which is that 24, plus a 15, this minus that. So anyway, it's always the same math that you're doing. It's just kind of doing it in a different way. Either one works. As long as you can get to that 39, we are good.